Hello, everyone. This is Kathleen, and I am here today with an interesting thing, at least for me. I got a message on Instagram from your creative studio, and they asked if I would be interested in looking at one of their boxes and doing an unboxing on my channel on a video. And I have wondered about them. And my friend Elizabeth one time shared some extra things that she got in a box, and I thought, oh, that might be fun to see, what their boxes look like. So I said, sure, I'll do a video. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to unbox this, and hopefully, I don't know how long it will take me, but if there's time, then I hope maybe I'll be able to make some little something to see whether the things are useful to me. But I love the paper, actually, and I did take a little peek, and this is what it looks like. So let's see, let me take this out. That might help, and then that won't be in the way, but I can definitely see myself using these images in collage, because that's my favorite thing to do. Okay, so let's see what's in here. These are called Dream Butterfly, and it looks like some acetate butterflies. Yeah, they're pretty. They're really pretty. Look. Blue and purple. A little bit of red on those. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, so there's some, they're not all, I thought maybe they were all purple and blue, but there are some others, and not, they're kind of vintagey colors, so that's a plus for me. I would rather have more muted things, because I have mentioned before, I'm kind of introverted in my taste, so yeah, I like it. Oh, this is, look at that. They're not acetate. Is that a sticker? Oh my gosh, they're stickers. Yeah, look at that. So that's even better. Yeah, like that. Wonderful. And there's quite a bunch of them there. So that's kind of nice. Vintage labels. Yay. I just did a video on labels, so you know how much I like labels. And these are it's in Chinese, so I don't know how many there are in here, but I love that. That's very steampunky. Oh, interesting. A lot of different kinds of shapes in here. Oh, good. Here's some pretty traditional, like Denison. Yeah, that's nice. I love labels. So are they stickers or paper? Not sure. Let's see if I can. Oh, now you'll see what a terrible. Yeah, they're stickers. There you go. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I will definitely enjoy using these. And there's quite a lot in here, different shapes. Oh, there's one with some text on it. I like those. Yeah, here's some with some printing down here at the bottom. Yeah, lovely. So I'm not getting paid to do this video, although getting the product for free was kind of a nice bonus. Love those. Those are going to be very useful. These are, let's see, what's in here? Something with butterflies. Obviously, this is a butterfly theme going on here. Little die cuts. No, maybe stickers again. A whole bunch of, ooh, I like that one. Love that. That's so vintage. Interesting. Really interesting. There's the traditional one there, orange. Ooh, that's a colorful one. Pretty. Very pretty. So I think these are stickers as well. Sadly, they have the white paper. Yeah, they are stickers. There's the edge. They have white paper, but there are things I could do. I could fussy cut it and get rid of that, and it might be worth it for some of the designs. So lots of butterflies. Look at that. Yeah. All right, what else have we got? A cling stamp. Oh, wow. How nice. I'm going to try not to tear this bag because I kind of like that bag. Oh, and it's blank. Yay, I can use that bag. And even that's actually even a nice label. Also, we'll save that. This will make a nice pocket in a journal. Look, this. It's a cling stamp. How fun. Yeah. We'll see. Maybe if I have time, we'll stamp that and see what it looks like. Sticky note. Stick note. Take this, open this up. Oh, these will be nice. Yeah. Okay, so that's sticky on about the top part. But that makes a really nice shape. Very vintage for a collage. Just stick it on a paper and glue it down. Yeah, I will definitely use these. That's very nice. I don't know how many there are, but quite a few. Wonderful. All right, this is another really cool little bag with another butterfly. Look at that. Fly to you. This must just be a little gift tag, maybe. How fun. And pretty. Oh, there's a little divot there in the bag. So maybe, I don't know, yeah, I would use it as a gift tag, but I love this envelope. That's pretty cool. Yeah. All right, what's next? These are some book collection series. Again, Chinese. Looks like from China. That's kind of, that's handy. Very, it's just a brown, looks like braided fiber. Very steampunky. Yep, that goes in the steampunk file. These are just papers. How fun. This is great collage fodder. Yeah, oh, I love graphs in my collages, numbers, so that's wonderful. Totally different language. Looks like Eastern European, like Russian or something. Yeah, wonderful. These will be great for steampunk collage. Yeah, for sure. Love those. Wow, that's nice. That's really wonderful. Okay, and this is more butterfly. I can see maybe a butterfly steampunk journal coming up. These are like cardboard coasters or something. I mean, they're thick. It's a thick card. Obviously not coasters, but yeah, beautiful. So it's kind of the same image. Yeah, So you could definitely do something that is coordinated. But this is a nice heavy. I can see myself using this with some metal gears, maybe some gold around the edges. It lends itself to me, I think, steampunk. Yeah, very, very sturdy, and maybe as a tuck. Yeah, yeah. Oh, this one, I love this shape. Yeah, I love that. I will definitely use these. This could be just a really nice, what I call a fussy cut image tuck, where you just put this on the page and then it's sturdy enough that it can hold a paper behind it. You know, and it becomes the tuck on the page. Yeah, I like that. So several different shapes. I love the colors. The colors are really very vintage and not in your face. Excuse me. I just inhaled something. The furnace is running about constantly now. We're in our cold time here in the high plains of New Mexico. So the temperature is low and the furnace is running. Isn't that pretty? I love these. Yeah, I will definitely use those as well. Let's see. There's another one of those hex. Oh, another cling stamp. Let's see what this one is. Ah, another butterfly and a smaller one. How fun. I love stamps, honestly. We'll put those all together over here and maybe we'll stamp and see what they look like. These are, this just looks like a very coordinated set to me. That's pretty, pretty packaging card. Yeah, I'll just sand that down and stain it, and that'd make a nice journaling card. Maybe we'll do some collage on that. Are these stickers or just paper? Hard to say. Let's see if it comes apart. Yep, they're stickers. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I like it. There's quite a few of these too. Really great little pieces for my small collages. Love it. Yeah, that's nice. So far, I'm pretty impressed with what's in this box. We're getting to the bottom here. Paper ephemera. It says, oh, here's another. It's Your Creative Studio. It looks like they maybe have designed this as a packet. Yeah, everything is coordinated. Really beautiful vellum stickers there. That's nice. Okay, the paper ephemera. It looks like the designs are again the same beautiful butterflies. This is a very nice packaging card. These are heavier than paper. It's not quite cardstock, but kind of a card. You can hear it. Yeah, those are nice. And just these same, this just looks so steampunky to me. Yeah, dressing this up with a little bit of steampunk. Yeah, that's going to be great. Yeah, I love it. Looks like there's 4 or 5 different designs here. Perfect, like journal cards. That's just a journal card. Wouldn't have to do anything to it. Maybe, like I have a video in my list, you know, of how to dress up ephemera to make journal cards, and yeah, I'll go and see what ideas I have there, and maybe make those into some journal cards. And the last thing in the box is this beautiful, looks like mulberry paper. How fun is that? Oh, love it. I love specialty paper like this. Yeah, it is mulberry paper with little leaves and botanical bits in there. Yeah, several sheets. It looks like 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets. Unless there's a couple more that I'm not able to separate here. Ah, yeah, there's 2. So looks like 5 sheets. That's really nice. This is beautiful. Let me check and see how much time. Oh, 15 minutes. Yep, that's kind of, that's the limit for me. Otherwise, it just takes forever to upload. So there's the unboxing, and maybe I will play around with these for a few minutes and then upload another video about what I've made. So that's Your Creative Studio, and I know that they are a subscription, so you can subscribe and then get a box once a month. And yeah, I think it's about $30, $35, $40 a box. And so yeah, look them up. I'll put a link for their company in the bottom, in the description box, and so follow the link and see what they've got, what past boxes they've used. But this one butterfly, oh my gosh, very beautiful. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Thanks to Your Creative Studio for sending me such a beautiful gift, and I appreciate that. And I'll see you again.